Hello, Miles from Two Puzzle here. I always used to love editing. Let's start the story back from 2014, 2015. I used to just edit these funny videos, holiday videos, traveling, wedding videos for family, all of that. 2014, 2015, 2016, I sucked at recording. I remember the first time I turned on the camera, I couldn't even... I pressed record and I couldn't even speak. I just froze. I just didn't even say anything. And I had to turn it off, and then I had to take a breather, and then I started again. And then I was able to record after a bit, but it took me a few minutes. Okay, that is super embarrassing. I was so shy, but it got easier. When you fast forward all the way to 2018, I started recording my own gaming videos. I was playing Tekken and I just recorded a few clips here and there. Fast forward a bit more, 2019, I made a video about myself and I just felt embarrassed. I turned it off. I just kept this idea of YouTube in the back of my mind. Fast forward another year, 2020, it's the pandemic and I actually lose my job. My company makes me redundant because of COVID, and yeah, that sucked. I was made redundant and yeah, I was feeling frustrated about that and deciding that's it, let me just start YouTube. Let me just start this. Enough of that. And I made a gaming channel that was about some building games, and yeah, I just got to work at it and I got used to editing. I made it to around 400 subscribers over the years, doing that for a couple more years. I did Minecraft as well on another channel, which flopped as well. And my original gaming channel flopped as well. So all of those, well, when I say flopped, it doesn't mean like it failed. It means like I just didn't want to do a channel about gaming. I wanted to do a channel about business, helping people grow their businesses, make money online. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to help people make money online and also make money online by myself as well. So this is my journey. Follow my journey here on this channel, Two Puzzle. Let's make it to the top together. Grind, don't stop. No pain, no gain. You fail to plan, you plan to fail. Oh, what can I say it today, man? Let me just drink some water, man. 1 sec. Whenever I'm in a few minutes to the video, my throat always gets super dry. Okay, I started some other channels about business and growing people's online businesses, and I made a tech channel about tech careers because I work in IT. I wanted to help people get into IT. I made that channel as well. I just didn't feel like they were like hitting. I didn't feel like it was me. I didn't feel super passionate about that. I wanted to help people grow their side hustles. Not really their careers right now. I wanted to focus on their side hustles, and their side hustle was YouTube. That's the one I wanted to do. So I decided to start Tube Hustle in 2023. Did some self-improvement. I tried to improve myself. I worked on my productivity. I decreased my gaming to near zero. I got rid of TV shows and animes and movies. I wanted to focus. I replaced everything with audiobooks. I wanted to self-improve, do more exercise, eat clean. So I just started hustling, and that is when I started doing YouTube. That's when I started this channel here, Tube Hustle. In December 2023, that is when I started it. And I'm actually really passionate about this. I really appreciate you watching here. This is actually mind-blowing for me that I can do this. I can actually do my passion here on YouTube platform, and it's always growing. Anyone that says it's competitive and is oversaturated, well, it is competitive, but it's not oversaturated. People are on there, but there's always people that are coming on and watching it. Like my little cousins, I know little kids that are getting their iPads and they're starting to watch now. So the audience is always growing more than people are making. There's always room to grow here. If you just focus on a certain niche, a certain topic on YouTube and get really good at that, then you can really generate good income. So end of 2020, what can I speak, bro? At the end of 2023, that's when I started it. But I really started just getting used to making the ideas and editing and all of that. Early 2024, I was just trying to be a bit more consistent and get the flow down. But I did keep getting nervous. I kept stuttering a lot when I'm recording. Yes, it was embarrassing. I was a shaky mess, but it got better with time. In May 2024, I started making better scripts, writing all of my scripts in a note-taking app called Notion, trying to actually make better titles and good ideas. In that summer of 2024, getting some videos that are blowing up. I started also focusing on the first part of the video, the hook. Say something that really gets the person into it and wants to watch the end of the video. Follow my story from the beginning to the end as we get to now, but I haven't got there yet. I'm still in the middle of it. I'm in May 2024, so let's keep going. Okay, so summer 2024, some of my videos actually started popping off when I started implementing better titles and better thumbnails. So yeah, I'm still learning that. I'm taking notes about everything that I learn and I'm sharing it with you, the community. This is how I provide value. I will share all of these tips one day, like as all together, but right now I'm just taking parts of it and I'm making videos from there. That's how I'm sharing these tips with you guys. And let me know down in the comment section below if you've had any issues with videos getting views. Let me know. Because in the beginning I was getting like 2 or 3 views. Now it's a bit more. It's getting there. It's getting better. I'm learning. I'm applying this. I'm learning it from the biggest YouTubers. I'm watching what they do and I'm trying to apply that to my channel. And I'm documenting it here. I'm taking notes and I'm sharing my journey with you. And I'm hoping that you'll benefit from these tips that I'm providing on this channel. Okay, let's keep going. September 2024. Editing was taking me a long time. So many hours. Each video was taking me around 4 hours of work. So in September 2024, I started adding more automation. I cut out all of the silent parts of my video using some kind of automation inside my editing program. And I also made a bunch of presets in my editing program as well. I made templates for my thumbnails, so I don't have to keep making that from scratch. I made templates for my video ideas and my video scripts, everything, all of that. So I don't have to keep making it over and over. So that saved me a lot of time as well. And it made editing quicker. So I was able to put out 2 videos a week. So I could put out 1 video a week, which is 4 videos a month. I try to get more than that, but usually that is the minimum that I do, the minimum. Because I do this after work as well. And sometimes I do it on weekends. So I don't have a lot of time because I work my 9 to 5. So I'm still trying to focus on time management. Okay, let's keep going. November 2024, I started reading some books about self-improvement, productivity, atomic habits, the idea of creating good habits. So I try to implement that into my YouTube. I try to create all of these good habits. One thing that I do is I try to make myself relax before I record. Just make yourself loose. Do tongue exercises, facial exercises, make yourself loose. And that has actually helped me in my videos. I also read a book called Deep Work in November 2024, which helped me understand the power of focus. And now what I do is I just put my phone on do not disturb if I'm editing. The phone is just put there. I'm recording with it right now. I just put it right there. It's on do not disturb and do not touch it. I edit for 25 minutes, then I take a break for 5 minutes, then 25 minutes, work again, then 5 minutes. I don't do anything in that time. I just focus. I do this not only in my editing, but I do this also when I'm coming up with ideas and writing scripts. I just focus. I do it in my lunch break at work, or I do it in the mornings, or I do it after work. I just zoom, I just focus. I get to a quiet place, noise cancelling headphones, no phone, no nothing. I actually deleted a lot of the social media apps on my phone. No TikTok, no Twitter, no all of that. It just takes up too much of my time. I'm just trying to focus a bit more, get more focused. And that is also something that this channel is also about. Self-improvement. Okay, enough ranting about that. Let's keep going. Let's keep moving on. Right now it's January 2025, and what am I learning next on my YouTube journey? I'm learning the creme de la creme, the best thing ever. That is storytelling. I'm telling you a story. Like this video right now is a story from the beginning till now, from 2014 all the way to the present, and it's still going. Let's keep going now. Storytelling is really important in your videos. It keeps people watching till the end. Think of a story and then actually tell that story from beginning till end. Make the story progress. Don't keep stopping the story. Actually make the story progress. And I'll do another video about this. This is a deep topic, but yeah, that's the basics of it right now. I mean, people have been listening to stories for centuries, for thousands of years. People have told stories over and over. Whatever country you're from right now, you have these stories that have been passed on. Storytelling is part of being human. So that is another tip that I'm providing for you. I hope that helps you. Okay, my next step now, February 2025 and beyond, is to keep learning storytelling, of course, but make better thumbnails, because right now I have like zero knowledge with thumbnails. Thumbnails are something that are important. Titles, thumbnails, storytelling. If you know those, then you will get a lot of traction on YouTube. I get a bit more views than I used to. Before I used to get like 20 or 30 views per video, but now I'm getting a bit more, so it's constantly growing. I'm constantly learning on here, so let's all learn together and benefit from this community that I'm building. Hit that subscribe button to benefit. Hit that subscribe button to join this community. Hit that subscribe button if you want to grow your channel and actually keep learning and sharing your story. Always getting better. That's the beauty about YouTube. You will never be perfect. Your video will never be perfect. So just start now. Get going. Just do it. Take the excuse from me right now. Take my motivation right now as an excuse to begin. Just begin. Just start your YouTube. You don't even need a fancy microphone. You don't need all of this. I have a little stand, a little plastic stand. I'm recording with my phone. This is a budget microphone. It costs $40. So yeah, you can do this, okay? Just start. Just do it. If you like this, do it. If you like YouTube, do it. You can grow your business. You don't even need to have like a lot of views and a lot of subscribers. You could just have to have a focused channel that focuses on something. Then you can monetize that and actually make good money from it. Okay, so subscribe to follow my journey and to join this community. We welcome people from all over the world. Doesn't matter what age you are, what your background is, you can just join us. You will get access to all of the knowledge that I am sharing on this channel. I hope it's actually helping you right now. Biggest thing is motivation. Just start your channel. Just do it. Just start. Like Nike, like Shia LaBeouf. Just do it. Okay, if you know that meme, that's a good meme. Just do it. What are you waiting for, bro? Just start. I am learning from all of these big YouTubers and I'm sharing the knowledge here. I'm applying it to my own channel. I'm studying and analyzing them. I'm making so many notes right here on my computer. Join my community of YouTubers. We welcome you no matter where you are from. I am passionate about creating the best YouTube community. I believe that's what we are. Tube Hustle here. I want to create the best YouTube community ever. This is the next generation of super huge YouTubers. If you want to learn how this other YouTuber, this engineer, he gets millions of views on his videos, how does he do it? Find out by watching this video that I have made for you right here.